What's up, guys? So I really just literally got done filming my face. So if you need to see a video on that, click the link at the end of this video or down in the description box and it'll have the link to that video for you guys. So now I'm just gonna jump right into my eye look. I have no clue what I'm gonna do today, guys. Like none. Okay, so I have 3 palettes here for options. I think I'm gonna do something really bright and colorful on this rainy day, because guys, it's raining here in Tampa. But yeah, so I have this. I haven't used it yet, so I think I'm gonna use it today. It has really bright colors in it. So yeah, I'm gonna use this. So for all of you who don't know, this is the Zulu palette by JUVIA'S. Gotta love it, guys. So I'm just gonna open it. Let me take this off. Oh god, it is so pretty. Yeah, I think I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna do a crazy eye today. I think I'm gonna do some green, some blue, some yellow, but not just any blue. I think I'm gonna use this teal. I don't know what I'm gonna do, guys. Oh, this is so exciting. I haven't done any like crazy looks on my channel. Nothing crazy. And I'm also gonna use, y'all already know, the Masquerade palette by JUVIA'S. I always use this. Y'all should order too because they're having sales for days. I'm just gonna open it. You can see it. Oh yeah. Baby. So yeah, we're just gonna jump right in because I'm not gonna waste y'all time. Really not. Because at the same time, if I'm wasting y'all time, I'm wasting my time. So for the first thing I'm gonna do is set my eyelids. I've already semi-set them with LA Pro Girl concealer that I used to highlight in the shade Beautiful Bronze. But I also have their white concealer. Guys, you gotta have some white concealer, especially if you're dark skin or brown or toned in any kind of way. Like, you're gonna need a white concealer or a white base. Okay, so I'm gonna squeeze some of this LA Pro Girl white concealer on my eye. Ew. I'm gonna blend it out with my beauty blender. Now I'm gonna go into this palette. There's a white shadow in here that I'm gonna use to set that base that I just applied to my eye. Okay, so this turned into a voiceover real quick. Basically, like I said, I'm using that white to powder up that base and get it ready for my shadow. Next, I'm gonna go in with this brown shade and the Zulu palette, and I'm just gonna take that, and that's gonna be my transition shade. Then I'm gonna take this teal and lay that on top of the white as the base for my cut crease. Then I blended that out, went back in with the white, and I'm putting that on the bottom of my lid and looking up so that I can define where my crease should start. And then just moving that over, I'm gonna take my glitter base by NYX and put that on and get it ready for my glitter. Then I'm gonna go in with my green in the inner corner, and then after that I'm gonna take a blue color and start to pat that on right next to the green and blend those over together. So I'm going to smooth that over on top to blend it. Okay, now I'm going into my Masquerade palette and doing the color Zola, and I'm just going to use that at the end of my cut crease and blend that in. Make sure you go back in and make all the colors seem together. This is what it looks like right now. Now I'm going to go into that glittery color and put that in the inner corner of my eye to give me a little highlight. Then I'm going to take this brown shadow by Maybelline, and I'm going to use that to basically clean up any mistake that I made. And then I'm going to blend that out with this furry brush that I have from BH Cosmetics, because you don't want no harsh lines. So this is what it looks like so far. I'm going to go in with this glitter by NYX, and I'm going to outline the outer part of my cut crease. And that just gives it, you know, a little more shine. Then I'm going to drag that glitter onto the green part and make an ombre. Okay, so now I'm taking that brown into the outer part of my eye just to give it some more color and make the other colors pop more. Blend that out. Then I'm going to clean it up with the thin brush that I used earlier. Then I'm going to take my mascara and I'm going to clean my lashes up and get them ready for my lashes. And right after that, I'm going to do my wing liner using the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner. I love this liner, guys. It's amazing. Alright y'all, so it's time for some lashes. I'm going to go in with my Ardell Mega Volume Lashes in the style 252. Alright, next I'm going to use my e.l.f. cream liner for my waterline. Then I'm going to take this beautiful blue color from Ulta Beauty called After Hours on my bottom lash line. Okay, so for my final two steps, I'm just going to go in with my NYX lip liner in the color Brown Black and line my lips. And then I'm going to go in with my Revlon lipstick in the color Creme Brulee. And I'm going to blot my lips together and then you're all done. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know this makeup look is a little different. It's not something you'll wear on a daily basis. It was just something I wanted to do for fun, to play around with some colors and really try out my JUVIA'S palettes. So I really hope you guys liked it. Let me know what you guys think at the end of this video and like what other stuff I should do, because this time I really was just doing stuff, y'all. I didn't know what I wanted to achieve. I didn't know what I was going for. I just knew I want to use these colors. So if you guys like it, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And when you hit the subscribe button, be sure to turn on your post notifications so that you'll know when I upload a new video. And yeah, I look forward to seeing you in my next upload. And don't forget to check out my contour and highlight video so you can learn how to snatch your face like this. And yeah, so, oh, and by the way, this is Maven hair that I sell. I'll leave the link for this down below so that you can guys get the details on it. It's Brazilian straight hair, so the fact that it waves up like this is everything. I love it when it's like this. When it dries, I brush it out and it gets really poofy and I like that look. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. Bye. Alright, so if you like this look, be sure to give it a thumbs up, guys. Thank you so much for your support. Don't forget to subscribe, and when you subscribe, hit the bell to turn on your post notifications so that you'll know when I post another video for all of you guys. Like I said, I appreciate you. I thank you so much. Leave any comments down below. If you want to, work together eventually, let me know. But thanks again, guys. Bye.